Hi there, let's check the battery level of your Samsung Galaxy Watch 7 right now. So we have three ways how to check it. And the first one, we can swipe down from the top. And right here on the top of the screen, you'll see your battery percentage. I currently have 48%. So if it is uncomfortable for you, you can easily add a battery widget on your watch face. And for this, simply press and hold the screen first, and now click this button Customize, and here swipe right or left to customize your watch face as you like, but now we are interested in a battery widget. So for this, scroll left till you see this complication, and now tap left or right, for example right one, and choose battery from the list of other options. And that's it. Now you'll see your battery percentage right on your watch face. You can always check your battery in the Galaxy Wearable app as well. So let's launch it first. And right here on the main screen, under your watch's name, you will see your current battery percentage. And that's it. Now you know how to check your battery. I hope this video was useful for you. Thank you so much for watching.